Hi story lovers! I just finished telling one of my favorite stories, Smiley the Lion, and would like to share a few moments with you. I like this story very much because I learned a lot from Smiley. He liked to help his friends and also learned to receive help from them. This story is full of kindness, compassion, and love. If you're ready, let's get started. Smiley the Lion, written by Vennes Thiyaka, illustrated by Magical Creation Studio. Smiley the Lion was happy, kind, and full of love. He had an indicator that showed him the amount of love he had. Smiley filled up his love storage at the beginning of every new day. He enjoyed walking through the woods and listening to the leaves dancing in the wind. Smiley saw two cardinals arguing with each other. "What has taken away your joy, my friend?" Smiley asked. "He stole my worm," the brown cardinal said. "It took me so long to find it." "I didn't steal it. You dropped it and I picked it up," the red cardinal declared. Smiley listened patiently, then asked, "What can be done to regain your joy?" "It would be better if he asked me to share it instead of stealing it. I want him to apologize," the brown cardinal said.